Alright, welcome to July. So today I'll be talking about a very important topic, and today is the 5th of July when I'm recording this video, and I'll be talking about the difference between goals and dreams today, and I want you to pay attention with me to the end of this video. I'll try to make it 10 to 15 minutes. So today I'm going to be talking about the difference between goals and dreams, and at some point I'll try to be more practical and write on the board. So goals and dreams, they are similar things, but they are quite different, because dreams are like our desires, what we wish to become, but goals is like a planning process. What are we doing now to make us to achieve those dreams? So it's very important to dream, but it's also important to write our goals down. And writing our goals down can be in the process of planning it from, okay, what do I need to do right now to achieve my someday goals? So we're going to be practical now. We're going to talk about how to achieve goals. So let me put an instance of, okay, we have like a 10 years goal plan. Maybe you have like a 10 years goal plan to build a skyscraper. Let me just use a skyscraper as an instance. You have a 10 years goal plan to build a skyscraper, but right now you don't have even £1 million to your name, and you know that to build a skyscraper is something that requires money. So you need to plan, and in the process of that planning, you have to be deliberate about your plan. And if you've been watching my previous video, I talk about how to be deliberate. So let's be more practical now, and I'm going to break the goals down into different dominoes. So I'm going to start from the right now goals. There's what you call right now goals. Right now goals to someday goals. So someday goals. So someday goals, for instance, can be like a 10 years plan, 10 years plan, 10 years plan, 10 years plan. And right now goal can be like what you are currently doing. So what you currently doing. So in order to move from this point to this point, you can't just jump. You have to break it down into different dominoes. So I'm going to break down these goals now into different dominoes, and I think when I break it down, you'll be able to understand the concept more. So this is our right now goals. Right now goals, and we'll put the someday goals here. Okay, let me just put, okay, let's start from right now goals. So right now goals is what you are going to start doing right now. So from right now goals, we'll move to daily goals. So in order to achieve the 10 years goal plan, we have to move from right now goals to what? The daily goal. So from right now goal, we will now ask ourselves that what am I going to start doing right now in order to achieve my daily goal? So if you can remember from the first example, you want to build a skyscraper. So what are you going to start doing right now in order to achieve a daily goal? My suggestion would be to get a skill or to get an income that can start giving you money in order to achieve your someday goal. So what are you going to start doing right now in order to achieve your daily goal? So once you're able to achieve your daily goal, you now have to move to the next domino, which is what are you start going to do today in order to achieve your weekly goal. Then if you are able to achieve your daily goal and you move from daily to weekly, then the next domino will now be, what are you going to start doing weekly in order to achieve your monthly goal? Then we're going to move from monthly now to a 1 year goal. And don't forget, we're still going to the someday goal, which is like a 10 years plan. So we're going to move now from here to 1 year goal. So what are you going to start doing monthly in order to achieve your 1 year goal? 1 year goal. Then for 1 year goal now, we're now going to move from 1 year to 5 years. Don't forget, the someday goal is a 10 years goal plan. So what am I going to start doing my 1 year goal that will lead me to my 5 years goal? 5 years goal. Then what am I going to start doing in 5 years that will lead me to the someday goal? So I'm not going to explain it in more detail now. So the someday goal is to build a skyscraper. The someday goal is to build a skyscraper. That's like, for example, you might have different someday goal, but we're using this as an example. So in order for you to build a skyscraper, you have to go with deliberate action, which is goal setting. So right now, in order to build a skyscraper, you need to be earning, you need to have income. So the right now goal is, okay, what am I going to start doing right now that will start giving me income? And when you are able to have some income, you now have to now start setting daily goals. Okay, this income I started having, how am I going to start compounding it? To like compounding meaning like investing it into income producing assets that can make the money to multiply in order for me to achieve my someday goal. Then the same process, you take it weekly, the same process, you take it monthly, the same process, you take it 1 year. But in order to achieve this someday goal, it requires planning, it requires collaboration, it requires a whole lot of things. But let me just say planning and collaboration. But the whole process, the whole point of this video, like understanding the difference between goals and dreams. We all have dreams. Me, I have lots of big dreams I want to achieve, but we have to take it one domino to the next domino, and taking it one domino to the next domino, meaning us writing like an action goal plan, which we can use this template for. What am I going to do right now in order to achieve my daily, weekly, monthly, 1 year, 5 years, and someday goal? And that I want you to understand is that sometimes when you plan something, things might not work out exactly the way it was planned, but if you're focused and you are able to learn and unlearn, you'll be able to achieve your someday goal. So my encouragement for you people watching today is, we all have big dreams and big goals that we want to achieve in the future. But I want you right now to start writing your goals down, because there's a favorite saying that, is it the faintest pen is better than the sharpest brain. So you don't need to put everything in your mind that, yes, I have it in my mind. Once you write it down and you start taking necessary actions towards achieving them, trust me, it's going to work out. I've been an example. Like at the beginning of this year, I set different type of goals in terms of my personal life, in terms of my financial life, in terms of my career life. And one of my major goals was to start a YouTube channel. And I plan on dropping 12 videos, but I cannot just drop 12 videos at a time. That's like the someday goal, the bigger goal. I had to take it step by step, which is recording one video every month to lead me to the someday goal, which is dropping the 12 video. And right now I'm recording the 7th video and I'm on my way to achieve the someday goal. So I want to encourage everyone listening to this video, right now it's not too late to still achieve your goals in 2023, but all what you need to do is write down those goals and take deliberate action every day in order to achieve your someday goal. So I think that will be all for now, and if this video inspires you, I want you to let me know in the comment section what you learned from this video and what are you going to start doing today in order to achieve your someday goal. Thank you and bye for now. See you on my next video in August.